Good morning, good morning, good morning. How the devil are you? It's been an emotional day today, but not all emotions are bad, so we got through it and all is good. Back to a normal vlog. No specials, no giveaways, no shout outs. I might not do a shout out. How's that? And now I'm just going to go for a quick ride, have a chat, chill out, and see where the mood takes me. It does take me somewhere where I keep telling myself to take my back brakes apart and grease them up to stop them squealing, but there'll be time for that in the winter. So what I am going to do is go somewhere quiet and play with something. Stop it. I've got a little bit of kit, but I want to have a little test, see if it's any good, see if it's any use. So we're heading up over Bleedon and Bleedon Hill, where there are some stunning views of Somerset and Weston. So we're into September already, almost halfway through it. It's been quite a 2020 so far, hasn't it? I suppose the good news is it's going to have to go some next year to top this for shitfuckery. But you never know. Never say never. So I don't know if you can see much, but out there are Somerset Flats, Somerset Levels. And in that are a load of really good roads. Right, we're just coming up to a parking spot up here. We'll take a quick 5-minute break, get my toy out, have a little play. Okay, so here's my little toy. It's a little tello drone. Nothing special, quite cheap, but it just gives you another angle. This is where I suppose I'm supposed to do some pan back to give panoramic image. Unfortunately, this doesn't have a huge range on it. There you go. Not sure what you can see. Cool. Right, well, it works. I've had a play. I'm happy now. I think that'll be the end of my vlog. So take care guys, and I will catch you on the flip side.